My topic is network marketing in detail explained, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Network marketing or multi-level marketing refers to a business model which constitutes a network of people earning directly from sales commissions depending on the quantity they sell. It's a flexible approach that allows people to work online. It evolved as a strategy that adds salespersons to a marketing network. Marketing, the word itself has several images floating with it. When we hear this word, we think about shops, big businesses, everything. We start thinking from the smallest grocery shop in our area and end up at the IT firms providing services and manufacturing new software to internet marketing. All the things that come in between these thousands of thoughts come under marketing. Like all other things, marketing too with time has evolved a lot. It's not just limited to buyers, sellers, salesmen, and businessmen. It has transformed rapidly with time. New types of marketing have evolved, new ways have come up, expanding the territory of marketing. One such type of marketing is network marketing. In this blog, we are going to focus on the same. Network marketing is a business concept that grows a company by relying on a network of distributors. To create money usually entails the use of three fundamental types of systematic strategies: lead generation, hiring, and building and management. Network marketing is divided into three categories: single-tier, two-tier, and multi-level. Simply speaking, network marketing is a business concept that relies on independent agents selling to other people, generally from their homes. You may need to develop a network of business partners or salespeople to help you generate leads and close sales if you start a network marketing firm. Network marketing, also known as team marketing, is an effective and proven business model that uses personal recommendation to promote and retail a company's products or services. Forever Living is a well-established, structured network marketing company, designed to enable our members to develop their own independent businesses. Instead of investing large amounts in advertising, Forever Living generously reward people for sharing its products and business opportunity with others. We hold regular award ceremonies where our members are rewarded for their role within Forever Living. Network marketing with Forever Living allows you to enjoy the freedom and flexibility of owning your own business. As an entrepreneur, you get to choose where and when you want to work. Instead of working hard to make your boss rich, all of the hard work you put in benefits you thanks to Forever Living's incentive scheme. Traditional businesses typically cost many thousands of pounds to establish and often involve getting into debt. Starting your own network marketing business means you do not have to borrow money or hire employees, and you'll have little overhead cost. It's that simple. Corporate jobs limit your pay range based on the market standard. Network marketing is a business model that depends on person-to-person sales by independent representatives, often working from home. A network marketing business may require you to build a network of business partners or salespeople to assist with lead generation and closing sales. There are many reputable network marketing operations, but some have been denounced as pyramid schemes. The latter may focus less on sales to consumers than on the recruitment of salespeople who may be required to pay upfront for expensive starter kits. Network marketing appeals to people with high energy and strong sales skills, who can build a profitable business with a modest investment. A network marketing business can be a single-tier program, whereby you sell the products, or multi-tier, where you also recruit additional salespeople. Beware of network marketing companies that create many tiers of salespeople or require you to purchase expensive products or training material up front. Make sure to thoroughly research the company before you join. Network marketing is known by a variety of names, including multi-level marketing, MLM, cellular marketing, affiliate marketing, consumer direct marketing, referral marketing, or home-based business franchising. Companies that follow the network marketing model often create tiers of salespeople, that is, salespeople are encouraged to recruit their own networks of salespeople. The creators of a new tier, or upline, earn commission on their own sales and on sales made by the people in the tier they created, the downline. In time, A new tier can sprout yet another tier, which contributes more commission to the person in the top tier as well as the middle tier. Thus, the earnings of salespeople depend on recruitment as well as product sales. Those who got in early and are in a top tier make the most. The FCC advises that single-tier network marketing operations tend to be more reputable than multi-tier schemes. There is some stigma attached to the networking marketing business, especially those with multiple tiers, which can be characterized as pyramid schemes. That is, the salespeople in the top tier can make impressive amounts of money on commissions from the tiers below them. The people on the lower tiers will earn much less. The company makes money by selling expensive starter kits to new recruits. The appeal of network marketing is that an individual with a lot of energy and good sales skills can create a profitable business with a modest investment. A good rule of thumb, according to the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, is that an operation that ensures compensation which is based on actual sales to real customers tends to be more reputable than multi-tier schemes, in which people make money based on the number of distributors they recruit. While network and multi-level marketing programs have been accused of being pyramid schemes, there are some important differences. While those who are able to recruit more members into the program are often able to enjoy greater residual commissions, network marketing is a legitimate and legal business structure that offers real products and services sold to customers. It is certainly possible, although not probable. Some people do enjoy great success at network marketing, largely due to their ability to recruit more members to the network. There are two main revenue sources: selling products, and commissions from sales made by team members downline. The more people there are downline from you, the more money you will accrue. The larger the team you can recruit, the more money you can make. Most people who join legitimate network marketing programs make little or no money. People may actually lose money. Some may become involved in an illegal pyramid scheme and not realize that they have joined a fraudulent venture, and can lose everything they invest. Do your research and ask around before diving in. Amway consistently tops the list. Top selling brands for Amway are Nutrilite Vitamin, mineral and dietary supplements, Artistry skincare and color cosmetics, eSpring water treatment systems and XS energy drinks, all sold exclusively by independent Amway business owners. In 2021, it brought in $8.9 billion in revenue. Network marketing is a business model that relies on a network of distributors to grow a business. There are many types of network marketing, but one of the most well-known types is called multi-level marketing. Network marketing is a business model that relies on a network of independent distributors to sell a product. Multi-level marketing is a type of network marketing where the salespeople also earn money by recruiting more salespeople. To earn money with network marketing, you must commit time, money, and effort, possibly more than you'd expect. Network marketing relies on individual distributors who market and sell a product to their network of friends, relatives, and people they know or meet. The distributors make money through commissions on the products they sell. Often, they're not employees of the company, but rather independent contractors. Distributors in network marketing businesses typically use three strategies to succeed: lead generation, recruiting, and building and management. Lead generation is the process of locating new customers and clients who may be interested in the product. Recruiting is the process of adding customers and business partners to your network. And building and management are the way you train, motivate, and manage your recruits. In some businesses, the distributors are also paid a commission for recruiting more distributors to sell the product. The more people they recruit, the more money they can make. The result is multiple tiers, or levels, of salespeople: the top, original tier, called the upline, and then one or more tiers below them, the downline. Each new recruit might then also recruit additional distributors, which would form that level's downline. This type of network marketing is called multi-level marketing, MLM. Some MLM programs allow you to make money 5 or more tiers deep. The top-level tiers make the most money, because they receive commissions from all the tiers below them. It is difficult for the newest recruits to make money. Network marketing does not pay equally well for everyone. The amount you earn depends on the volume of sales you can generate on your own end, in the case of MLM companies, the success of your downline as well. There are several reasons why it can be tough to make money with multi-level marketing. First, the company may require you to buy its products, pay for training, or keep a certain amount of inventory on hand. These costs often come before you can make your first sale, so you start out behind. Then, the exciting bonuses or prizes the company offers are often only available to sellers who pay to play, by making incentivized purchases of a certain dollar amount. This inventory then has to be sold as well if the salesperson is to make a profit. Sometimes these purchases are required if the seller wishes to advance, and reselling is tough because the seller needs to mark the product above retail to recoup the year costs. Finally, there are often operating expenses, such as computers, phones, internet access, and training tools required by the company. These costs further erode the possibility of profit, requiring the seller to meet such rigorous sales or recruiting goals that it's nearly impossible to get ahead. Not everyone who wants to sell something will be good at it. However, sincerity and genuine enthusiasm about a company or product is a form of marketing in and of itself. If the only incentive to the sales team is money, they may cut corners or mislead others in an attempt to earn more for themselves. For network marketing to be successful, the salespeople must be sincerely enthusiastic about the product as well. Take the time to research your state's laws regarding network marketing. Deceptive marketing practices and pyramid schemes can land you in legal trouble if you are not careful. Multi-level marketing is a form of network marketing with several levels of distributors. A large part of a multi-level marketer's success will come from recruiting. But there are two other, simpler modes of network marketing as well: single-tier network marketing and two-tier network marketing. With single-tier network marketing, you sign up for a company's affiliate program to sell their products or services. You do not need to recruit other distributors, and all your pay comes from direct sales. Avon, the popular beauty company, uses single-tier network marketing. In some online affiliate programs, you get paid for the traffic you drive to the affiliate's website. Pay-per-click, PPC, and pay-per-lead, PPL, affiliate programs are other examples of single-tier networking. Unlike single-tier network marketing, two-tier network marketing does involve some recruiting, but your pay isn't solely dependent on it. You get paid for direct sales, or traffic you drive to a website, and for direct sales or referred traffic made by affiliates or distributors you recruit to work under you. An example of a two-tier program is Canon Voice Site Sell. Yes, it's possible to make money with network marketing. However, it's not easy. To be successful typically requires a serious application of effort, time, and money. Casual salespeople will quickly find themselves losing money. Yes, there are risks that go with network marketing. You risk the money it takes for startup costs, inventory purchases, and training materials. You'll also spend time and money filling out paperwork, filling and shipping orders, and recruiting new salespeople. To make your money back, you'll need to sell a lot of product. And to continue to make a profit, you'll need to continue selling more, and sometimes recruiting new salespeople for your downline. Consider whether your network truly has enough buyers to support your business's needs, and research the network marketing company thoroughly before you get involved. A business model in which a distributor network is needed to build the business. Usually such businesses are also multi-level marketing in nature in that payouts occur at more than one level. Network marketing is a type of business opportunity that is very popular with people looking for part-time, flexible businesses. Some of the best-known companies in America, including Avon, Mary Kay Cosmetics, and Tupperware, fall under the network marketing umbrella. Network marketing programs feature a low upfront investment, usually only a few $100s for the purchase of a product sample kit and the opportunity to sell a product line directly to friend, family and other personal contacts. Most network marketing programs also ask participants to recruit other sales representatives. The recruits constitute a rep's downline, and their sales generate income for those above them in the program. Things can get sticky when a network marketing network compensates participants primarily for recruiting others rather than for selling the company's products or services. A network marketing system in which most of the revenue comes from recruitment may be considered an illegal pyramid scheme. Since network marketing programs are usually exempt from business opportunity regulation and aren't defined as franchises under state and federal franchise laws, you'll need to do your own investigation before investing any money. The benefits of network marketing with Forever Living are endless, from taking control over your schedule to easily managing overheads. Here's our top 10. Work to your own schedule. Work from anywhere. No commute. International possibilities. Your own personal growth. Security. No employees. Scalability. Minimal overheads. Building your own dream. It's simple. In the UK and Ireland, the vitamin and mineral supplements industry alone is worth £414 million. The skincare sector is worth £2.2 billion. The weight management sector £2 billion and sports and nutrition sector £2 billion and sports and nutrition sector £356 million. With Forever's networking marketing scheme, you can be a part of this growth. Sharing is key with network marketing. By sharing the range of products and the business opportunity with others, networking marketing is an ideal business opportunity for anyone looking to take control of their finance and who has a passion for sharing their knowledge and love of Forever Living products. According to Forbes, more than half of all baby boomers, 76 million, are interested in starting their own business, and network marketing is the perfect opportunity for this. If you're confident, driven and passionate, then network marketing is for you. And the earning potential is endless. Direct sales. Network marketing companies promote and sell their products directly to customers, rather than through a well-defined distribution channel. The participants are given the job of selling the items, and they are paid a commission for each sale they make. Entrepreneurs that are self-employed, IBO. The participants are referred to as EBOs since they act as if they are running their own company. Distributor. Most multi-level marketing companies refer to their members as distributors or fresh recruits registered by these members make up the distributor's downline. All distributors profit from their downline sales. Upline. All distributors in the hierarchy above a member's personal sponsor. All the way up to the head of sales is made by downline partners. All distributors in the upline get a commission. Plan. It makes a list of all the many methods salespeople may earn money. The plan also demonstrates how pay varies based on sales volume and the number of partners recruited. For their staff, reputable organizations make the strategy as open as feasible. Sponsorship, a person who brings in a new employee to the company. Recruit or collaborate, an individual who is brought into the company by a sponsor. The sponsor is compensated for the sales of the partner. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.